we are discussing Retirable. So Retirable, guys, is a way that is a newer company. Well, they've been around for a couple years, but they're a company that helps make the retirement process really easy. And it doesn't matter if you are already retired. Maybe you're retired and you're driving Uber and Lyft part-time on the side, or you're trying to retire in a couple of years, or you're about to retire or whatever. Retirable will help you although customize a plan for you with reliable monthly income. And they pair you with a retirement expert. So they're actually taking this model of retiring, which is really outdated. Like, a lot of places don't really help you retire. A lot of employers, like, you're kind of left on your own. So Retirable helps you really set up a plan to retire. And with our link below, you can actually get a free account set up, and they will help you just, live the next chapter of your life, like, really nicely. And so they make it like very user friendly. And I've spoken with one of the founders over at Retirable. And again, when you use our link below, you can get set up with a free account, and you'll get a free consultation with a retirement expert. So you can talk to them and ask them all your questions totally for free. So this could be
sign up to talk with them, or you can just get the free consultation anyways.
You can get the free consultation, yeah. And there's no commitments at all. And they'll actually, like, literally, it's crazy what they're doing right now. It's so legit. They're creating a whole, like, basically plan for you. And if you choose to, like, go with them, like, they do, there's a, like, they take a percentage. They set up an investment plan with you, and they're your investment advisors and everything. Like, they do everything for you, create your whole retirement future, everything. And they take a percentage of, like, your, like, I don't know the whole details, but they'll do that. Or you can they'll just create a whole free, like, plan for you, a free account with you. And there's no fees on that side. You'll get a free consultation. So this is, like, extremely helpful for anybody who's, like, stuck with retirement or doesn't know how to retire, or, like, just is confused because it's such a big process. And I feel like there's no really place to, like, learn how to retire. So, like, having an expert advisor, like, walk you through it and help you can be, like, extremely beneficial. Like, so
Yeah.
anyways, I just really, like, think this is really great. So that's why I wanted to mention it. And we do have a partnership with them. So we do have a link below that you can use, and you can type in Rideshare Hub when you sign up, and they'll, take good care of you. So yeah, they have reliable income you can get set up with. They help you, like, with medical insurance. Like, it's like a holistic plan. So they'll help you basically with, like, Medicare and all that stuff, like everything you need. So yeah, it's pretty cool.